Okay, in this video, we're going to talk about the extra practice problems again. We're going to look at questions 8, 9, and 11. I'm going to let you do 10 on your own. The answer to 10 is no, but do the division. Make sure you can do it yourself. So in question 8, is x plus 4 a factor of this polynomial? Okay, so the first step is to make sure that the polynomial is in standard form, which means I'm looking at the exponents and I arrange them from the biggest to the smallest. So I've got 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So those are my exponents, right? But I'm going to write down the coefficients. Those are the numbers in front. So no number in front of the x to the fourth. That is an implied coefficient of 1. So I write down 1, 9, 24, 12, negative 16. Now, out front, I'm going to write down the root or the 0. And this is the factor, so I have to flip it, right? This is positive 4. So I'm going to write down negative 4. Then I'm going to take that first coefficient and write it there, and then I'm going to multiply. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. 9 plus a negative 4 is positive 5. Negative 4 times 5 is negative 20. 24 plus negative 20 is positive 4. Negative 4 times 4 is negative 16. 12 plus negative 16 is negative 4. And negative 4 times negative 4 is positive 16. Right? Remember, two negatives give us a positive. So negative 16 plus 16 gives us 0. And if the remainder is 0, then it's a factor. So x plus 4 is a factor because the remainder is 0. And this is not just true for polynomials, it's true just for numbers, right? 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. There's no remainder. 3 is a factor. 15 divided by 2 is 7, remainder 1, because 2 is not a factor, so I get a remainder. So if the remainder is 0, it's a factor. Anything else, not a factor. All right, in question 9, we have a 5th degree polynomial. So I've got exponents of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So I'm going to write down my coefficients. 1, 11, 25, negative 26, negative 41, negative 45. This is the factor. So this is the root. I'm going to bring down the 1. Then I get negative 7 times 1 is negative 7. 11 minus 7 is 4. Negative 7 times positive 4, it gives me negative 28. 25 plus negative 28 is negative 3. Negative 7 times negative 3 is a positive 21. Again, two negatives give me a positive. Negative 26 plus 21 is negative 5. Negative 7 times negative 5, positive 35. Negative 41 plus 35 is negative 6. Negative 7 times negative 6, positive 42. Negative 45 plus 42, negative 3. So is this a factor of that polynomial? No, not a factor because I have a remainder that's not 0. Okay, again, I'm going to skip over number 10. I'm going to let you do that one yourself. And let's look at number 11. Darren divided this polynomial by this factor using synthetic division. Did he make a mistake? Find his mistakes, if any. Now, we're not just seeing if this is a factor, right? We're just going to divide this. And it's not a factor. You know, the remainder is 10, but that's not the point. Where the point is we're looking to see if Darren made any mistakes. And here's a clue. for the rest of the school year. Anytime I write a worksheet and it's about Darren, spelled this way, Darren is always wrong. Darren is the name of my ex-husband, and Darren is always wrong. So he wrote down the coefficients, 1, 3, -4, -2. He pulled this down and he did the math. It's like, okay, it looks okay, except it's not. We have a 4th degree polynomial. This is a 4th degree polynomial in standard form. We need 5 coefficients, right? A, B, C, D, and E. And Darren only wrote down 4 numbers. So let's look at what happened. On x to the 4th, there's no coefficient, so it's an implied 1. On x to the 3rd, b is equal to 3. X squared, c is equal to -4. That last number, -2, that's my e. That's what goes in here. But look, there is no x term. It's missing. It's gone. So what does that tell us? Well, that tells us that d is equal to 0. So right here, I need to fill in a 0. So he should have started with 1, 3, -4, 0, -2. This number is correct, right? Because we have -2. We need to flip it. This is +2. This is correct. Right? The only thing he forgot to do was to put a 0 in there for D. And that's it.